So, how do you know when it's time for new lava rocks? Well, if you're getting a lot of flare-ups during cooking, or if your rocks are caked with grease and have turned black, it's definitely time for a refresh. I personally replace mine once a year, but the frequency will depend on how often you use your grill. As you can see, serious flare-ups here. So, start by removing the grill grates and give them a good scrub. You'll see how old and well used my lava rocks are in the barbecue. It's definitely time for a change. Remove the old rocks, carefully remove all the old lava rocks and put them in a bucket for disposal. While you're at it, give the bottom of your barbecue a quick sweep out. Replace the lava rock grill rack. If your barbecue didn't come with one, or if you converted from heat plates to lava rocks, you can easily find custom made racks online for a reasonable price. I actually picked this one up from eBay. I place mine on the shelf just above the gas tube burners. Right, adding the new lava rocks. Now for the fun part. I use the Blackrock Grill lava rocks, which you can find on their website or on Amazon. They're 100% natural lava, and I've been using them for over 8 years. Spread the lava rocks out evenly in a single layer, making sure that they're tightly packed together with no gaps. Benefits of using lava rocks in a gas barbecue: they give off even heat distribution, they absorb and retain heat really well, making them more energy efficient. Flavour enhancement: as drippings from food fall onto the hot rocks, they vaporise and create smoke, infusing the food with that classic barbecue flavour. Also, lava rocks allow excess fats and oils to drip away from the food, resulting in a healthier cooking method. Overall, using lava rocks in a gas barbecue can enhance the grilling experience by providing consistent heat, better flavour and healthier cooking options. Then simply put the grill grates back on and you're ready to fire up your barbecue and get cooking. If you have any questions at all, I'll be happy to help. Just pop a comment in the bottom of the video. Cheers.